Hey guys, welcome back to the Art Kit. Today we're going to make slime in a jar. The first thing you're going to need is half a cup of water. The second thing you're going to need is half a cup of white glue. Next, you'll add half a cup of liquid starch. All right, now let's give it a bit of color. Let's add the food coloring. Now, I'm going to do an optional step, but I'm going to add some fine glitter to give it a little shimmer. All right, let's shake it up. All right, there we go. All mixed up, looks great. Let's pour it out and see how it looks. All right, guys, that was super fun, super easy. The kids will love it. The kids will love playing with it. Keep them entertained for hours. And the adults too. But look at that. This is awesome. And the best part, when you're done, it stores easily because it just goes right back into the jar. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take a look at the links in the description below for more fun ideas at theartkitblog.com and the supplies we used and some of our great merchandise. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you want to see our videos when they come out. See you next time.